Okay, we're down here at the Indian Pass boat ramp, and there's the beach that goes all the way to Three Palms. It's probably a mile by car, but it wraps around here, and there's St. Vincent Island. There's the boat ramp, and then this is the Indian Pass Apalachicola Bay here. And as you go along the beach there, it's a very small peninsula. Just beyond those trees is what's called the Indian Pass Lagoon. And the Indian Pass Lagoon, if you could take that and then come up Higgins to the actual house, that'd be awesome.
I got 5 bars here.
So, coming down the beach here, get a glimpse of Indian Pass, and then at the boat ramp, go around this way, and then you go through the Indian Pass Lagoon, very small little lagoon, all the way down to Higgins, which is where Three Palms is, and then you take it over through there. All right? Okay, thanks a lot. Gorgeous, beautiful.